To plan and practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Parichay lesson 11 Bagija. Bagija means garden. Garden we all go for a walk in the evening or in the morning. We take our children to play there. So this is the lesson about the garden Bagija. We'll go to the lesson. यह बगीचा है. So they have given a picture of the garden. So we can observe there lot of plants, then water, then the things for playing, like the children to play, all that is there. Seesaw, merry-go-round, all that is there. And apart from that, there is some place for playing. Playground is there. For doing exercise, there is a place. So all that we can see in that picture, and we are going to learn in this lesson. Yeah, बगीचा है. This is a garden. यह बगीचा बहुत सुंदर है. सुंदर means beautiful. बहुत सुंदर, very beautiful. यह बगीचा बहुत सुंदर है. This garden is very beautiful. इसमें कई प्रकार के पौधे हैं. पौधा means plants, trees. कई प्रकार, many types of. इसमें, in this garden. So in this garden there are many type of trees and plants. इसमें कई प्रकार के पौधे हैं. There are many type of plants in this garden. पौधों में कई रंग के फूल हैं. So in the plants, if you observe, there are many different kinds of different colors of flowers in the plants. When we observe the plants, पौधा means plant, कई रंग means many colors. There are many colors in the plants. There are many colors of flowers in the plants. फूल means flower. पौधों में कई रंग के फूल हैं. So there are many type of flowers with different colors in the plants. कुछ फूल पीले हैं, कुछ नीले हैं, कुछ लाल है, कुछ सफेद भी है. So what are the colors? पीले means yellow, नीले means blue, लाल means red, सफेद means white. So the flowers are yellow, blue, red and white in colors. That is what given. कुछ फूल पीले हैं, कुछ नीले हैं, कुछ लाल हैं, कुछ सफेद भी हैं. So some flowers are yellow, some flowers are blue, some flowers are red and some flowers are white also. कुछ फूल सवेरे खिलते हैं और कुछ शाम को खिलते हैं. So खिलना means to bloom in Hindi. So the flower will be getting widen up in the morning or in the evening. That is blooming. कुछ फूल सवेरे खिलते हैं. So some flowers bloom in the morning. And कुछ शाम को खिलते हैं. So some flowers bloom in the evening. शाम means evening. सवेरे means morning. Some flowers bloom in the morning. Some flowers bloom in the evening. कुछ फूल सवेरे खिलते हैं और कुछ शाम को खिलते हैं. छोटे बड़े सभी फूल बहुत सुंदर हैं. So the flowers are big and small. छोटे means small, बड़े means big. So all the flowers are very beautiful. Sundar means beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है, very beautiful. छोटे बड़े सभी फूल बहुत सुंदर हैं. The small and big flowers all are very beautiful in the garden. इनमें कुछ फूल महकते हैं, कुछ फूल सिर्फ शोभा देते हैं, नहीं महकते. महकना to smell, महकना to emit fragrance from the flower. इनमें कुछ फूल महकते हैं. इनमें means in this few of the flowers. इनमें कुछ फूल महकते हैं. So out of the all the flowers that are there in the garden, only few flowers are emitting good smell and fragrance. कुछ फूल सिर्फ शोभा देते हैं. Few flowers they give only gorgeous beauty, grace and splendor to the garden. They don't give smell. They don't emit fragrance. That is what they mean in this sentence. Nahi mehekte. They don't give any smell or emit fragrance. इनमें कुछ फूल महकते हैं, कुछ फूल सिर्फ शोभा देते हैं, नहीं महकते. So out of the flowers in the garden, only few flowers give good smell, emit fragrance, and the rest give gorgeous beauty, grace, and splendor to the garden. They don't emit fragrance. Next paragraph. यहाँ कई पेड़ भी हैं. पेड़ means trees. There are many trees in this garden. पेड़ छायादार है, इसलिए यह बगीचा हवादार भी है. So छायादार, छायादार means to be shady. It gives shade to the people. When there is heavy summer or heavy rain, they can stand under the tree. So it provides shelter to the people. It gives shade to the people as per the season. So पेड़ means tree. पेड़ छायादार है. The trees are shady. इसलिए यह बगीचा हवादार भी है. Because of these trees only, this garden is very airy and full of wind and full of oxygen. It is a house of oxygen. This garden is a house of oxygen because of these trees. यहाँ सवेरे और शाम को बहुत से लोग आते हैं. Many people come to the garden both in the morning and in the evening. कुछ लोग हवा खाने आते हैं. Some people they come for a walk. Some people they want to take a walk. So they come here to have good breeze and ventilation. कुछ लोग सैर करने आते हैं. So some people they come here to go for a drive or to wander, to visit the garden. So some people they come just to visit the garden and spend some time. कुछ लोग कसरत करने आते हैं. कसरत करना to do workout or to do exercise. So some people come here to do exercise. यहाँ स्त्री पुरुष बच्चे सभी लोग आते हैं. Here all the type of people come here like women, men and children. So all the people come to the garden. बच्चे यहाँ खेलने आते हैं. So बच्चे children खेलना to play. So children come here to play in the garden. बच्चे यहाँ खेलने आते हैं. आना to come. So the children come here to play in the garden. खेल का मैदान अलग है. Here we have a separate playground. Alag means separate. So we have a separate playground. वहाँ कई खेल के साधन हैं. खेल के साधन स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट, गेम्स इक्विपमेंट. वहाँ means there, kai means many. So there are many type of sports and game equipment in the playground. खेलना भी है, खिलौने भी हैं. खिलौना means toy or dolls. All the toys and dolls are also available in the garden. यहाँ खेलने से बच्चे खुश और तंदुरुस्त होते हैं. यहाँ खेलने से बच्चे खुश और तंदुरुस्त होते हैं. So यहाँ means here. खेलने से, by playing here, the children become very happy. Kush means very happy. Or and Tandurust means healthy, fit and strong. So by playing in the garden, the children they become very excited and very happy, and also they become healthy, fit and strong when they play in the garden. बगीचे में हरी हरी घासें भी हैं. घास means grass. Hari hari grass means green grass. So it is very beautiful and very greeny. The garden is very greeny and very enjoyable, and it is having all green grass in it. ये मुलायम है. So how is the grass? Grass बहुत मुलायम. मुलायम means soft. It is cuddly. Cuddly means very soft. The grass are soft in the garden. इन पर पैर रखना मना है. They have just kept it for show off or just seeing and enjoying for the grace of the garden. So इन पर पैर रखना मना है. So to keep the legs on the grass, it is prohibited. It is not permitted. So what happens when you keep the leg on these beautiful grasses which is soft? It becomes spoiled. It gets destroyed. So people are not allowed to put the legs on the grass. They are prohibited by keeping the leg on the grass. पैर रखना, to keep the legs. Mana means not permitted or prohibited. इन पर पैर रखना मना है. इन पर means on these. These means the grass. To keep the legs on the grass, it is not allowed. यहाँ बीच में एक सुंदर फव्वारा भी है. फव्वारा means fountain or sprinkler. We can say it is like a fountain. What is fountain? It is a shower, and jet of water is fountain. So we have in the middle of the garden we have a fountain. Beach means in between the garden. सुंदर फव्वारा means beautiful fountain. यहाँ बीच में एक सुंदर फव्वारा भी है. So in the middle of the garden we have a beautiful fountain. Fountain means shower or jet of water. So this is the lesson Parichay, lesson 11, garden, bagicha. Hope you all understood. You understand the meaning of the words, then it will be easy for you to study and write. Thank you.